Hi guys, today we have a basin unboxing of a case by Cacoe. I'm not sure if I pronounced it correctly, so it's made in China. This color is dark green, and this is for Samsung tablets, most in particular S6 Lite, which is the one I have for work. So I purchased this myself, so this is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing a quick unboxing. Okay, going through that. Okay. So this is the back of the case. Yeah, very rubbery material. Okay, let's see if we can take this one out. Upside daisy, I don't know if that was for the that was for the. So okay, I'll take that later on. So this is a 360 case, so you can rotate this case and basically have it in portrait mode. I don't know if you can see it. I'll see if I can zoom out. I can't zoom out more. But basically this is the way you can rotate the case, supported there, or you can put it in landscape mode, which is like that. And obviously it's a rugged case, but I'm not entirely sure. I don't think it's magnetic, unless you're into that stuff. So it's not magnetic. It looks very simple, very cheap. Slot for cameras, some stickers they need to unpeel for the transparent cover. Let's take these off and I'll put the tablet, see how it looks. Got it. I don't know if you can hear any of that noise. Beautiful. Okay, so stick that in. Actually goes quite snug in there. And this is how it looks at the back. It's actually quite nice. And then I'm not sure how you're supposed to unpeel this, to be fair. Like, let's see. Does this come off? No, it doesn't seem like it's coming off. God knows, do I just put it off like that? There's no instructions or anything, so I'm not entirely sure. Shall I tug on it, see if it comes off, or oh, it doesn't. So all that with nylon. That's a bit weird. Like, they got this all the way around the case, but you can't really take it off properly. So I think that's about it. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's for the case cover. And this way you keep the pen. I'm not sure how it stands with the charging. Does it still charge? Not sure if these pens charge, so that's how it is. You support it there. Increase the gradient if you want. And you can also have it in portrait mode. Even though it's a bit old in portrait, it still supports itself well enough. Tapping on it, so yeah, let's see further down. Yeah. So anyway, that's about it. Sorry that this video took so long. In regards to the case, I think it's a nice case. I believe it's under £10. So for what it's worth, it's a nice rugged case, take for work, and also do some other bits and bobs with it. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Again, there's no there might be some small magnets when you open it and the actual tablet starts on. So it doesn't. Yeah, there might be some small magnets. Very light magnets here in the corners, I presume. There might be let's see now, I'll test it. Yeah, it doesn't open by itself, so yeah, there are magnets like so. Okay, got the textile buttons there, which works. Let's see. Yeah, they work flawlessly. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you liked this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. No sponsored video. I'll put the Amazon affiliate link in the description. Again, you don't need to buy the products through there, but if you do buy it, it does help. So, okay, cheers, guys, and for now, take care. Have a good day. Bye.